In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Google AI Studio app to Play Store step-by-step tutorial 2026. We'll move from your Google AI Studio project to a live Android app on the Play Store using a simple link and a no-code builder. This walkthrough is designed to be clear and practical, so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your app in Google AI Studio. Make sure your latest changes are saved. This ensures the version you're about to package is the one your users will see. Take a moment to confirm your app loads properly in preview, your core flows work as expected, and then save. Think of this as locking in your progress before you hand it off to the builder. Next, click the Share option in Google AI Studio and copy the link to your app. This shareable URL is what the builder will use to wrap your experience into a mobile app. After copying, it's a good idea to quickly paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it opens and displays your app correctly. If it looks good there, it will typically load well in the builder too. Now move over to App My Site. On the main dashboard, look for the field where it asks for your app or web app URL and paste the link you just copied from Google AI Studio. This tells App My Site exactly what to load and convert. Keep this tab open. You'll come back to it a few times as you proceed. From here, click on Create App. Once your app shell is generated, select the Preview option. Preview helps you confirm that screens render correctly, navigation works, and key interactions feel right on mobile. If anything looks off, return to your AI Studio app, adjust, save, and then refresh the preview so the changes carry over. When the preview matches your expectations, click on Build. The builder will package your app for Android. After the build is ready, choose Publish to Google Store. Follow the on-screen prompts in App My Site to complete the publishing handoff. The interface will guide you through each required item and will indicate what's missing so you can address it promptly. Stay patient during the build and publish steps, as they can take a few minutes. And that's it. You saved your AI Studio app, copied its share link, pasted it into App My Site, created the app, previewed it, built it, and then published it to the Google Play Store. If you found this helpful, stick around for more practical walkthroughs just like this one.